Hi everyone, this is Dipti Harshad Vartak and welcome to my baking channel. Have you ever tried making a caramel sauce only to burn it, only to make it bitter in taste? Do you wish to make a caramel sauce which is smooth and silky and nice amber in color? And do you want to make a caramel sauce which gets done under 5 minutes? If answers to all these queries is yes, then today's video is for you. आज हम बनाने वाले हैं कैरामल सॉस जो कि 5 मिनट के अंदर बनता है। इंग्रेडिएंट्स बिल्कुल इजीली अवेलेबल है और सेम इंग्रेडिएंट्स यूज करके हम कैरामल सॉस भी बनाएंगे और हम कैरामल टॉफी भी बनाएंगे। तो चलिए इस कैरामल सॉस और कैरामल टॉफी के मैजिकल इंग्रेडिएंट्स देखते हैं। So for making this caramel sauce we are going to use dark brown sugar, we are also going to use some cream and this is butter. Okay, so what we have to do is mix everything together. We are going to microwave this for about 2 to 3 minutes. See this mixture. So I got this in about like in 1.5 minutes itself. This was ready. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to keep an eye on the sauce. Okay, depending on the power of your microwave the timing might change, but can you see how quickly the caramel sauce is ready? It has got that lovely amber color and you can definitely use it for your cakes, cupcakes, for your brownies. You can even mix it with different types of frosting to make butterscotch cake and all. And this is a very quick recipe which gets done in no time. So this caramel sauce was ready in 1.5 minutes. Okay. So now let this cool down and then you can transfer it into an airtight container so that you can use it for next 15 to 20 days. You have to store it into the refrigerator. Okay, but see the consistency and see the lovely color. This is how you make quick caramel sauce using microwave. So once this cools down, you can transfer it into an airtight container. See the consistency of the sauce. Now let me also tell you one thing. What you can do is if you really want to make a toffee out of it, then you can keep it in microwave for another minute and you will see that the caramel will start coming out together. So let me just show you the recipe how to do that toffee. So put everything together and in microwave on high power we are going to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. That's it. Now we are going to put it into microwave for about 3 to 4 minutes. As you can see the mixture is just bubbling up. That is the reason we have to use a big bowl so that the mixture doesn't come out from the bowl. So this is how it looks. This is the toffee. You can see the texture of this. Okay. You can spread it on the parchment paper and then you can cut it into pieces or you can make small balls out of it once the mixture comes to this kind of a consistency. Okay, so in just one recipe you can actually make two things. You can make this caramel sauce for your cakes, cupcakes, brownies, chocolates and lot of other things, or you can make toffee itself. You can see the color of both the things. So now let's make the toffee. For that what we need to do is remove all the content and place it on the parchment paper. Now in between the parchment paper, just start rolling it. Do not roll it very thin. This is your toffee. Okay, or you can just cut them into cool it down into the refrigerator for about 10 minutes or so, and then you can start eating it. Okay, or you can just create small balls like that. Now this goes into the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. So this is how you can take your desserts to next level by just making a quick recipe, which is the caramel sauce. Have a look at the texture, have a look at the color. This looks absolutely beautiful. After 10 minutes, they become so firm that you can just easily pick them up. So did you see it was so easy to make this caramel sauce and caramel toffee? Just by tweaking the temperature, आप same recipe से caramel sauce भी बना सकते हो और caramel toffee भी बना सकते हो. You can definitely try this recipe whenever you are in a hurry. You can drizzle this caramel sauce on your cakes, cupcakes, brownies, ice creams or any dessert to enjoy your dessert to the fullest. So I hope you have loved today's quick recipe. If you have loved it, do comment below if you want me to make more such quick recipes. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that whenever a new video comes in, you get notified about it. Thank you so much.